Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I cut it off. My hair was so damaged, it needed to go, and it's a little shorter than I wanted, but my hair is healthy. This video is about Charlotte Tilbury, and I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite products and also just kind of do a quick get ready with me. I have some errands to run, and I'm taking my son to get his hair cut with my cousin. I'm sure you're gonna be like, you got all glammed up to bring him to me? So I wanted to keep things pretty basic and simple, but I really love the way that everything turned out. I feel like I'm ready for spring and summer. And I think this is a beautiful everyday makeup. I think it's something that you can wear to work, or you can definitely glam up with, you know, a bold lip color or something along those lines and really just make it an event and make it full-blown glam makeup. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see how I got this look and what products I used, let's go. All right guys, so I am going to use my Charlotte Tilbury products today. I'm going to start with the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and the shade that I have accepted to be my shade is 7 Warm. I need to update some of the shades in my list because I'm lighter than I think I am. I was just having this conversation with my sister where I told her that in my head I'm darker than I am, and normally if I have a little bit of color I don't mind that being the case, but because I haven't gotten any sun where, you know, it's made a difference in my skin tone, I just feel like my foundation shades are too dark, and one of them was definitely Charlotte Tilbury. So, you know, I've gone through 8, I've gone through 7.5, and I have come to realize that 7 is my match. I don't need to take it down to my neck. This is my shade. Alright guys, so I'm going to take the Magic setting powder by Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to use this to set my makeup. I don't really use this powder a ton. I love her airbrush press powder, but this powder, I don't know. I really don't know how to feel about it. But I figured I would use as many products from the brand, and this is one of my favorite brands. I mean, you just, for the most part, you can't go wrong with Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to take a large fluffy brush and just dust this powder off. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 3. I'm going to take that same fluffy brush and just kind of buff the bronzer so that it looks softer. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Star highlighter. Looks like this. This is actually such a beautiful highlight. I'm going to take my foundation brush and just lightly buff over this. I'm going to take the blushes from the Lovegasm. I love this palette, and I hate to use it because I want to say that this palette is sold out. She has the lighter one available, but for whatever reason this one is not. And it doesn't make sense because if you have the Lightgasm, I think it's called Lightgasm shade, I don't understand why she wouldn't have Lovegasm. But as you guys can see, it's a beautiful blush. So I took this Charlotte Tilbury pencil in Barbarella Brown, and I used it to start smudging it onto my lashes, but I'm going to take this tiny rougher brush and I'm going to use this to create just a very soft wing. So it looks just like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll come back to do the rest of this look. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. I really like the way that it looks. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Push-Up Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I think it does a beautiful job at separating, giving length and volume, and just giving you a really dramatic, beautiful lash. with minimal effort. Like, look at that. That's just one coat. Alright guys, so for my eyeshadow, by the way, look at my lashes. I love this mascara. I'm using this palette, and I'm going to be using this first trio here. I'm going to take the matte brown shade with a pencil brush by Refer, and I'm going to use that just to add that into the crease, and then we're going to softly blend it out. I'm going to dip into that brown. Alright guys, so I am just going to dip into that brown shade again and just kind of refine this eye. I feel like, well, we all know that this is my saggy eye. And it requires just a little bit more finessing, but I'm going to just go ahead and buff this out, make it look softer. And I styled my hair. It's short. It's actually shorter than I wanted, but my hair was so damaged. And I told the stylist just to basically do what she needed to do to give me a fresh start. And she went for it. Again, it's a little bit shorter than I wanted, but it's okay. At least my hair isn't breaking off and doesn't look horrible. I'm going to take the lightest shade in that first section. I'm just going to apply that to the inner corner, high point of my brow. For my lips, I'm going to be using Pillow Talk lip liner and Karina Star lipstick. But before I do that, I'm going to take my setting spray. And now my final step is going to be taking some of my almost non-existent powder, and I just like to hit my T-zone with this. And here we have it, guys. This is the final look. I like the way that everything turned out. I'm not really... The hair is something I'm going to have to grow into. Basically, it's probably going to be something that I like once it's a little bit longer, but it's healthy. That's all that matters. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys enjoy these one brand tutorials. I personally really like them because it gives me a chance to really dive into the brand and see what it is that I really love. And everything that I've used today are products that I love from Charlotte Tilbury. You guys know that it's a brand that I've used a ton on my channel, that I've talked about a lot on my channel, and it's because they are really high quality, long wearing products, and I would highly recommend anyone to look into it and really just get to know the brand. I don't own any eyeliners from Charlotte Tilbury except for this little mini one that came with the push-up mascara, which you guys know I love. And I have to say that so far I'm really impressed with the quality. It really did just kind of set itself, and I can't move it. I appreciate that it's one of those products that I know won't budge. I'll keep you guys posted. If anything does change, or if I find that the liner isn't anything that I'm really loving, I'll let you know. But so far I have to say that I really love the way that everything looks and turned out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video, as it does help my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Please leave a comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.